Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see I have one of Canon product name is a Canon PIXMA MP230. I have no drive. Download the software for the configuration, this printer plus scanner to my Mac, and as well as how to scan the document and how to take a printout. So now let's start demonstration. So first of all I will show you here the Canon PIXMA brand number is MP230. Now first of all we can download the software and let's see how we configure. As a product point of view, this product related on USB pin, so I have the extension, so I just simply connect here in my Mac. The product is already on. Now how to download the software, just simply open the Google and type here the product name, and here look at this here PIXMA MP30 support and download drivers. So this link is coming here. I already added this link in video description. Scroll down, just simply select here which operating system you have for the Mac perspective and Windows perspective, Linux as well. So which operating system you have, so I just simply select here Ventura Mac and download the software. To download the software, just simply click here, double click, again click here the introduction of the software. We need to click here continue, agree. After that continue, install, put it here your Mac password, and installation is successfully done. Just simply go back. Afterwards we can scan the document first of all. So if you click here, so the application is look like here. Look at this here, you just simply click here and this is the application. Here is the printer name is automatically come or scanner name is automatically come. If you see properly here, printer name or scanner name is come here. We can scan the document. So just simply click here, open the software. This is the software, and now I just simply, for the scanning perspective, you need to open this one. This way is an arrow, so you start here properly. So I just simply put it here, this document like this, so we can provide proper documents in this scanner. Just simply close this one. Afterwards just simply say here scan the document, and process is on. It's very fast as my personal experience to scan the document with the help of Canon PIXMA MP230. So look at this here, the document is a scan. It's really easy to scan the document. Look at this here, the pixel as well. We receive very nice quality after scanning the document with the help of this product. Now we can see how to take a scan and directly print out with this product. I already added here one page, blank page, and I just take a printout for the same page. So one of the important point come here. Here two option is this color printout you won't take or black and white printout you won't take. So accordingly you select. As a demo point of view, I select here black and click, and look at this here, continuously the scan as well as we receive the printout from here as well. Look at this, and printout is coming from here. This is the simple process to scan the document and take a printout. If you have any question related on this Canon product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.